So yes, yesterday we dealt with a drop in the crypto market. We witnessed a flash crash. I did a video yesterday talking about this. And what I have to say is that the market is actually getting more immune to these things taking place. And I want to show you guys exactly what I mean. Now, first and foremost, we saw BTC drop from about that 71K range, even into the upper 71Ks, down into the high 68s, which is a sizable drop. We haven't seen a drop like that for BTC in a little bit of time now. But people need to understand that although we did experience this drop in terms of BTC, we are getting more resilient as a market. We are getting more immune to this. We've had several flash crashes along the way. Even since we hit the prior all-time high, there have been flash crashes several times. Flash crash, flash crash, flash crash, right? Lots of them. But these have actually been diminishing over time. And when we look at something like Shiba Inu, we're seeing that same pattern play out here. In fact, when we look back all the way here on Tuesday, March 5th, I'm sure everybody remembers that, we had a 44% candle on that day, 44% red candle. Back here all the way on April 12th and 13th, both of those were retracements in the mid 20%, right? Still big drops. Yesterday, even though BTC got moving in a hurry to the downside, Shiba Inu only had a candle of about 15%. So these drops are actually lessening over time, and it's because the market is becoming more resilient. People are getting smarter. People are acting on emotion a little bit less, which is a very good sign. Now, the good thing about Shiba Inu is that we still kind of settled in above our 100-day moving average. All right, we're actually right just below that 4024 support, which is great. We're looking pretty good right now, and hopefully this is that time where the market kind of plants its foot in the ground and just decides to flip around and start climbing again. We're seeing this happening in terms of BTC. We got a little baby green candle today. That's fine, 69.4. And know that short leverage, guys, is still sitting just above these ranges. You guys can see that we're in the process right now of setting up a little bit higher of a low here. We're still above our 20-day moving average in terms of BTC. Now, what people are saying triggered this was, roaring kitty. Some people are saying that whales triggered this. Whatever it may be, guys, it doesn't matter. What you need to understand is that, is the market any different than it was yesterday about around this time? No, it's not, right? The market still wants to move one direction, and that's up. We're still getting into alt season. Well, we're in alt season, but we're on the verge of that big breakout move to the upside. That's the important thing here. This almost feels like one of those last shakeouts before we really start to go vertical, before things really begin to take off. Okay, I don't know if you guys can feel it. I can definitely feel it. The sentiment has shifted. There's a lot more positivity in the market. And right now, people are paying attention to what is in fact happening. Now, SHIB did play out into that formation like we talked about, actually perfectly, that head and shoulders pattern. We did get our drop. Again, a little bit exaggerated because of the overall market drop, but I like the support that we're seeing. I like that we had a nice hard bounce off these ranges. In fact, it looks like we just still barely held above this this higher low here, which is actually really good. So just wanted to share that with everyone. Don't be fooled by these quick short-term movements here, because remember, this is all about the long-term game. It's all about letting things build over time, because we're going to be talking a very different story in 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months from now. So have a great day. Show your love below. Let me know your thoughts, but I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.